Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 11 July 2021. Here this is the problem. We just have to convert this following Java code into Python code. First, let's crack the Java code. They have just imported the util package and they have created a class hello, and then this is just a main function. So we don't have to spend much more time on this. Here they have created a object for this scanner class, and uh, this is a R, which is nothing but row. This C represent column, and this is the sum. And they have created a while loop which checks for the hash next line. Like they will pass a number of lines which is unknown, and the while loop will traverse up to this one, because this one uh, doesn't has the next line, right? So it will break here, and they are incrementing this r value, just row value, for each and every line. So it will return 1 2 3 4 at the end. And they have created a current line. uh, this is a array, string array, and they have splitted those values separated by space. So the array should be like this, separated by space, some kind of variables, sorry, some kind of numbers. So if c equal to 0, c equal to current line dot length, they have created a or initialized the value of c as 0 first. So this condition will uh, run only one time, which means we have a column size of a fixed one. So they will pass some R-C matrix which has the value separated by integer value separated by space. We just need to add those values. So they have created a loop which will run up to the column size, and they are incrementing the sum value with the current line index value, which is nothing but the elements. So the sum value return 1 2 3 4 for the current line, and for the sign line, like if the input is 2 2 2, so it will return something like 4 plus 8 12. So if this is our input, it will return the r space c, which is nothing but 2 row and 1 2 3 4 columns. Those things are separated by space, and 4 2s are 8 and 4 ones are 4. 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12. So this will be our output. That's it guys, let's check it. Are our assumptions are correct or something? So here this is the code they have given here. I'm just going to java c hello dot java java hello dot class. Okay, let me do that by the usual method. So here I'm passing values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, and finally control C or control D, I guess. No, control D. No, it's not. Control D. I think control is that 1 1 2 3 4. Control is that. Yeah, we got 1 row, 4 column, and the sum is 10. So our assumption is perfectly matching. Let's solve this in a Python programming language. So first we will get a, or we just need to create a variable r, which is nothing but a row. I'm initializing this value as 0, and we need one more value which is nothing but total. total sum, right? And what are the values need to be initialized? We don't need to initialize column, it will work fine. Okay, I'm going to create a while loop which has the condition of true, and inside that I'm going to try temp list equal to input dot split, or I can just uh, made the type conversion on this line, list of map of in comma input dot split. So my column will be column equal to len of the temp list, and row will be incremented row plus equal to 1, and total plus equal to sum of the list, sum of temp list. If we encounter end of the file which is nothing but no more inputs, we should create a except block, right? Except eof error, or we can just use a common exception, or else we can leave this except block as it is, which means by default it will has the exception class. So if an error or exception encounters, we just need to print row and column and then sum, right? Which is nothing but total. Finally, there is no more input, so there is no need to be the loop to be run, so we can break the loop. So if I pass the input which I have passed there, 1 2 3 4, and here this is control D, I guess. Yeah, so we got 1 row 4 column and the total sum 10. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for your view. You can hope you are enjoying this video. Let's make some other funny videos with the interesting topic tomorrow. Until then, bye.